Unveiling the mystery of serving suggestions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to demystify a phrase you've likely seen on food packaging but might not have thought much about. Serving suggestions. This term is quite common, yet its true meaning and implications can be a bit elusive. Stick with us to uncover what it really means and why it's important for consumers like you and me. When you see serving suggestions on a food package, it refers to the manufacturer's idea of how to present the product in an appealing way. These suggestions are often depicted through images on the packaging, showing the food served with additional items that are not included in the package. The key point here is that these images are merely recommendations for presentation and do not reflect the contents of the package. The main reason manufacturers use serving suggestions is to inspire consumers. It's all about showcasing the potential of their product in a meal or as part of a dish. By presenting the product in a more appealing or creative way, it can entice people to buy it. However, it's crucial to understand that these images are idealized representations and might not always be practical or achievable in everyday cooking. Interpreting serving suggestions requires a bit of critical thinking. When you see these images, ask yourself, what additional ingredients are shown that aren't included? How does this suggestion align with my dietary needs or preferences? Can I modify this suggestion to better suit my taste or budget? Remember, these suggestions are just that, suggestions. Feel free to get creative and adapt them to your own needs and preferences. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, serving suggestions, and why it appears on food packaging. Next time you're shopping, take a moment to look at these suggestions with a critical eye. Use them as inspiration, but don't feel bound by them. After all, the best meals are often those that carry a personal touch. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.